Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to make keyboard typing clicks louder on your iPhone and how we can do this. So it is quite easy as it is. So the first thing what you need to do is just make sure that you are not in the silent mode. So right now on my iPhone over here that I have kept this on the silent mode over here on the side. So what I'll try to do is I'll just change it from here so you can see it is not in the silent mode right now. This is the first and foremost step you need to do. And followed by that, what you need to do is you have to go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the sound and haptics. Tap on this. Now from here you have to turn on change with buttons. So you have to turn on this. Once you turn on this, you have to scroll it down here at the bottom. Now you need to tap on headphone and safety. Now from here the reduce loud audio should be turned on. And over here you can see this has been set into 85 decibel. So this is in a mid kind of region over here like this. So I have to set this to maximum over here like this. So this is 100 decibel right now. And I just need to, after doing these two things, if you go back to any kind of iMessage or any kind of things, if you go over here and try typing, you can listen the sound of the typing. And this is how we can do this. And this is quite two steps where you can try it in order to fix this up. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.